Trade Republic versus MyInvestor versus Revolt. Which one is honestly better? In today's video, I'm going to be discussing all the aspects of each of these platforms so you can gain an understanding of which platform is best for you. An overview for each of the platforms is for Trade Republic. It's a mobile-first broker focused on low-cost investing in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. It's popular in Europe for commission-free trades and a simple interface. MyInvestor is a Spanish online bank and investment platform offering broad investment options including mutual funds, ETFs, and a fixed income with competitive fees. Revolt is a digital banking app with investment features including stocks, crypto, and commodities. It's known for multi-currency accounts and fast international transfers. For fees and costs, Trade Republic is typically low with £1 for a fee. There's no account maintenance fees and it's great for cost-conscious investors. For MyInvestor, there's no account maintenance fees. Fund management fees are competitive but vary depending on the product, and some funds have minimum investment amounts. For Revolt, it's free trades limited per month on basic plans. Premium tiers unlock more trades, and currency conversion fees can apply outside of included limit. For investment options, Trade Republic has stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, but it's limited to certain European markets, but it's growing. For MyInvestor, it has an extensive range from mutual funds, ETFs, fixed income, and some stock access. There's also more options for long-term investors. For Revolt, it has stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. It's good for casual investing, but limited to advanced tools. For additional features, Trade Republic has fractional shares, savings plans, real-time market data, while MyInvestor has access to Spanish tax benefits, diverse investment products, and banking services. Revolt also has multi-currency accounts, budgeting tools, instant transfers, and crypto wallet. If this video helped you make a decision, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.